are looking a little grim. The last time we went to the grocery store was exactly 3 weeks ago. And actually, the last time Ryan and I actually went on shore was 3 weeks ago. So we've been doing really good with our confinement. It's time to get a little creative with our dinner. I think I'm going to make some pot pies, or my version of pot pie. All right, we need to go to our additional can area, and it's down in there. So I'll be right back. I gotta clear this stuff out. Living on a boat. You have to see the sunset. This is a duck.
What?
Talking to the camera. I don't know, maybe you did. As you notice, all the labels are off. It's one more thing that we do to make sure that we don't get bugs, roaches. Roaches can lay their eggs in the glue. We try to prevent any roach eggs. Two-float style pot pie.
Nicole's filming.
Dinner time.
Dinner's ready.
But I'm gonna go shower first.
Oh, but she's gonna shower first. You gonna film that too?
I'm not filming that. Sorry.
Oh, man.
Shower time, but I'm not filming that. It is.
If she's picking it up tomorrow, it's pretty rad.